am CHANDRIMA. I am from National Institute of Immunology, and basically this whole platform, what I found that the program is designed in such a manner that you actually work on the program and you actually do it with your hands. So basically preparations through projects and seminars doesn't work, and in these hands-on really works on. So if you guys are looking for anything hands-on projects, I think this is the best platform to work on. Thank you.
Hello, my name is NAWAID. I'm from Amity University, Noida. It is not the first workshop with biodiscovery. I've also attended a docking workshop. I worked in a project with this group, and this is, I think, the third workshop. And it is a very good experience. I came here for NGS, data analyst. Now I know about DNA sequencing, how to analyze their data, RNA sequencing, and analyze their data. And the additional thing was that they gave us the knowledge about gene editing too, and it was very good. I had the practical knowledge. I can go home and do it myself. The best thing is this workshop, and the quality of the workshop is very good. I don't think you can get this type of quality in other workshops, because I have attended other workshops too. I think the quality is very good. You guys should try it at least once.
Hi, myself SAPNA. I'm from National Institute of Immunology from Dr. Taylor's lab. And what I think is, like most of us usually do in vitro experiments and all that. So we don't know much about in silico and about next generation sequencing. So this is a very good platform for people like us who don't know much about in silico works. So I think, yeah, it's a very good.
Hi, I'm Dr. Somerset from Lab Oncology, AIMS, New Delhi. And this is the best, BCT is the best platform for those beginners who want to work on sequencing, how to analyze the sequencing data, and more on there. Lots of we can learn from this workshop. So this is the best platform for.
Hi, myself Rahul Kumar, and I am a PhD student in Lab Oncology, Department of Lab Oncology, AIMS, New Delhi. यहाँ आने के पहले मुझे नहीं पता था कितना कुछ यहाँ पे सीखने मिलेगा एनजीएस के रिगार्डिंग में, और ये जितना एक्सपेक्ट करता उससे ज़्यादा ही था यहाँ पे। और ये बिगनर के लिए सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि यहाँ पे आप एक काइंड ऑफ इतना सीख लो कि अपना प्रैक्टिकल अपने आप ही कर सकते हो आप। थैंक यू फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
Hi, I am Bhupen from National Institute of Immunology, from Dr. Taylor's lab, and I was requiring training in NGS workshop for my work, so I was looking for a good workshop. So before attending this workshop, I was not aware that how good this workshop will be. So now, after attending this workshop, I feel like I can do differential expression analysis by myself itself. So I feel it was very good workshop, and I hope that I can do my work myself.
I'm a student from Amity University. I don't know about sequencing, but this workshop has helped me a lot.
Hello, my name is Ashish Chauhan. I work in National Institute of Plant Genome Research. Why I attended this workshop is because most of my work in my department is on wet lab experiments, and I wanted to learn some dry work as well. So and you also know that there is a lot of demand of bioinformatician and the one student who can do who can analyze the NGS data. And I am in my lab also lot of data comes, and there is only one bioinformatician, and there is a lot of pressure on her, lot of workload. So I was thinking that if I can learn, it will be good for me as well, and for my PI also, means I can help him. And I'm a master's student. I'm looking for PhD outside. So whenever I read some vacancy has come outside, there is a demand for the student who means it is not mandatory for that student to know the NGS data analysis, but means the requirement is there. It will be a benefit for him. So I wanted to learn this NGS data analysis, and here I learned a lot about RNA-seq, DNA-seq data analysis. Now I am hoping that when I will go back in my department, I will try to do I will try to play with that data, and I will try to analyze it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm I'm Kavita. I'm associated with the health sector, and this has been a learning experience for me as well. Although I knew a bit of it earlier, but learning and unlearning was the journey that I had these 2 days here with Sir. And it has been downloaded to us in a very comprehensive manner, and that made some of the doubts and cobwebs that I had very easy for me to handle. Thank you.
My name is POOJA. I'm from Lucknow University. I'm a PhD scholar. My topic, my field of research was paleogenomics, and when we think about genome, we have to do sequencing and how to analyze that data. So most of the sequencing work we can outsource, but when we come about how to analyze that sequence data, I usually took the help of Google, and the first thing that came upon was biodiscovery group. So I have took some online classes also, online group studies, but this was more beneficial because it was face-to-face, and the data and the knowledge that I have collected, it is going to help me in the long run. So that is all.